How to buy NBA League Pass on YouTube TV. You can purchase the NBA League Pass directly through YouTube TV to access live games, highlights, and replays. Follow these steps. Step 1. Open YouTube TV. Launch the YouTube TV app on your streaming device, smartphone, or web browser. Sign into your YouTube TV account if prompted. Step 2. Go to Membership Settings. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. Navigate to the Membership section. Step 3. Find NBA League Pass. Scroll through the list of available add-ons. Locate NBA League Pass under the Sports-Related Add-ons category. Step 4. Subscribe to NBA League Pass. Click Add or Subscribe next to NBA League Pass. Follow the on-screen prompts to confirm the purchase using your existing payment method. Step 5. Confirm the subscription. Return to the Live Guide or Library tab to verify that NBA League Pass is listed as an available channel. Browse through live games, past games, and additional NBA content. Important notes. Pricing. The NBA League Pass is billed monthly and may vary depending on the season or available promotions. Auto-renewal. Subscriptions automatically renew unless canceled manually. Blackout restrictions. Local blackout restrictions may apply based on your geographical location. Enjoy unlimited NBA coverage with your League Pass.